Today my topic is life cycle of chicken. Life cycle of chicken. The hen life cycle starts from an egg. The hen life cycle starts from an egg. Start from an egg. An egg. Egg. Egg will hatch. 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 The chick will come out. The chick will come out of it. The chick will come out. Choo, 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 choo. The chick will come out. The chick will come out of it. Do you see? This is small birds, the baby of hen. This is small birds, the baby of hen. This chick will grow. This chick. This chick. This chick. This chick will grow. This chick will grow and grow to become an adult hen. To become an adult hen. This chick will grow and grow, become an adult hen. 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 This is the hen. And this hen will lay eggs again. This hen will lay eggs again. Egg will hatch. Egg will hatching. Then the chick will come out. Then the chick will come out. And chick will grow and grow, become an adult hen. Become an adult hen. Adult hen. This life cycle will not stop. This life cycle will not stop. This is the life cycle of hen. This is the life cycle of hen. Hen will lay the eggs. Eggs will hatching. Hatching will come out the chick. Chick will grow and grow, will become a hen. This life cycle will not stop.